Hi, in earlier section, we have created the S3 bucket policy using the policy generator. Now, what I've done is, this is the ARN. So I added uh, the bucket name slash star. So this indicates that anything uploading on bucket inside any files, you are giving a full permission. That's the thing. So it will apply at the child level. That is the thing. I am putting the star. I am putting the put object and giving a deny permission without any kind of encryption, without any KMS key. If you're not applying any KMS key, this will deny. So any file, if you are uploading without the KMS key, irrespective of any user, it will be denied. Okay. Let us try this one. So what I do is I'll take this particular, copy this one, I'll update in my S3. Come here, go to properties, your bucket properties, not properties, I think it's permissions. And here you have to come to edit and you can override the changes. So I'm just overwriting and update the changes. Okay. So your bucket policy is updated. Now what we'll do is we'll test this. Okay. Go to objects and we try to upload the file, add the file. Now what I'll do is I try to add this log files. Okay. And I will upload without encryption. Okay. So it has to throw an error. Okay. Because I'm not adding the encryption. So you can see it is permission denied, upload failed. If you come here, access denied, because access denied, you don't have permission because we are giving at the bucket policy level. Okay. Now what we'll do is we try to upload the same file. Come here, click on upload, add files. We'll upload the same logs file. Okay. Logs file and come to the properties. Here, this is our default. Okay. And here you have to specify the encryption. Okay. And here we will try to use our own key. Okay. So if we click this, here we have to specify KMS key because we are given attribute with KMS. So I've selected KMS and hmm, so this is a key I'm selecting. So this is a key. It is a managed key, which is there already from the AWS managed key service. So you no need to worry. So I'm selecting from this drop down. Okay. And I'll upload it. Yeah, now it's success. Okay. Now if we come here, you can see this log file has been uploaded just now. So in this way, I can enforce my own S3 bucket policy at the object level. Okay. So mainly for compliance or any kind of thing you can apply. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.